So welcome back everyone. This is the first problem I'm going to be solving for the FE Mechanical Engineering exam. So if you're sitting your FE exam, you're going to be dealing with these types of questions. In this video, I'll be solving question 1, and of course we'll be solving the rest here in this same playlist. Hydrostatic pressure at 3.5 meter depth in water is approximately which one of these options from A to D? Now, of course, you can refer to the FE reference handbook, which is your only reference during the exam, and you go to the contents and click on the topic you're dealing with, which is now fluid mechanics. And then you search for the formula you need. Here you're dealing with the pressure field in a static liquid, and you have the equation P2 minus P1 equals the last expression, which is minus rho GH. In our case, we have P2, which is at the water surface level, and it's equal to 0 for gauge pressure. So here we take it as a reference so that we do not involve the atmospheric pressure. Now, because P2 equals 0, then we have the equation P2 minus P1 becomes 0 minus P1 equals to minus rho GH. We cancel the minus signs on both sides, and we will have P1 equals to rho GH. Back to the problem. Now 3.5 meter depth is denoted as H, and the pressure P at this level of depth is rho GH, which is the same as the P1 we saw in the diagram, but now it's the only pressure we have, so I'll just keep it as P. Rho is the density of the fluid. The fluid here is water, and the density of water is 1000 kilograms per meter cubed. G is the gravitational acceleration, and it's 9.81 meters per square second. And H is the given depth of 3.5 meters. Meters and meters above cross out with meters squared below, so the 3 is crossed out. The units left are kilograms per meter second squared. This is equivalent to the unit Pascal. So we'll have the answer in pascals, but we need to convert it to kilopascals because the options are all in kilopascals. Using a calculator, multiply 1000 by 9.81 by 3.5, and you'll get 34,355. So let's write it down. And as we mentioned, this is the answer in pascals. Now we need to convert it to kilopascals. The only thing we need to do is to divide it by 1000. Let's just write kilopascals here. Now we move the dot 3 positions from right to left, and we'll get the answer in kilopascals, which is 34.355. So the answer is choice B.